Good afternoon, RV family. My name is Jason Harrington here at Veurink's RV Center, where we have been family owned and operated since 1954. Now, what I have the privilege of bringing you guys today on this beautiful Michigan afternoon is the all-new KZ RV Sportsmen LE 190 THLE. This is a 20-foot toy hauler travel trailer, easily half-ton towable, a perfect travel trailer to travel anywhere in Michigan or let alone anywhere in the United States. This is a great trailer. I'm going to show a short video for you today, just touching on a couple features. If you have any questions, whether the whole time through this video or at the end, give me a call. My number is going to be at the bottom of the screen. Now follow me inside and let's take a peek. Now, right when you walk inside your new toy hauler, you're going to notice you have this corner bed. Now, this is a queen size bed, so plenty of room for 2 adults, not a problem. You have windows on both sides to allow a lot of natural light in. You get the shelf above to store a lot of your linens and other clothes that you're going to bring with you, and then a full-length wardrobe. So all your riding gear, clothes for at night, you're going to have everything. You can hang it in there without it being wrinkled. This bed does have storage underneath it for additional stuff. Now, immediately to that is your bathroom. Now, what I love about this is they skip out on the tub and they give you a shower. And that's the problem with a lot of these. They put tubs in them. I don't need a tub, I need a shower in this thing. They give me a wall surround in there so water can hit on that and fall back into the basin and not onto your wall boards. It's gonna come with the vanity, the sink, and a foot flush toilet, everything you're gonna need for a restroom on wheels. Now, immediately back from that, you're gonna have another pantry. Put all your goods in there, all your food. Get your radio right here. This is AM, FM, CD, DVD, and Bluetooth connectivity. So you have speakers inside and speakers outside. You can control it right from your phone. It's awesome. Right back here is the living quarters. Your kitchen, full appliance suite. You're gonna have everything you need. 3-burner cooktop, microwave, vent hood, 6.3 gas electric refrigerator. It's got the auto switch so you can go on gas or electric. Sink right here, you have a double basin sink, 50-50 split. You can buy a sink cover for this. It matches the seamless countertop and gives you plenty more room to prep. Now, right across from that is gonna be the sofa jiffy. It's gonna come with this table that does move around, and it is fully collapsible. So you can have it sitting here at your sofa. You can bring it outside if you need it to be outside for extra space, wherever you wanna put it. When you're sitting at the sofa, you can look right out the back of the toy hauler and you have that beautiful view. If you want someone to spend the night, it's a very simple conversion. Just lift up, creates a bed for some guests. And then when you're ready to bring your bike in here, your kayaks, or whatever you're bringing with you, you just flip this thing up and you have all this space. There's tie downs, D-rings ever so often on the floor, so you have plenty of room to tie down whatever you're bringing with you. It gives you a lot of room. It's very easy to convert this. Now, as we step back to the toy hauler, you're actually gonna have a screen door that drops down. So now you can allow all that natural light inside your camper without letting all the bugs in. So I love this door. Then you step right back here on your patio deck. There's additional storage right here. Put whatever you need in there, riding gear, stuff like that, put it right there. The ramp door getting into your toy hauler, you can hold about 2,500 pounds on this thing, so don't worry about getting whatever toy you need into there, it's going to hold it. Now, as we're standing outside of your all-new Sportsmen LE toy hauler, this is the spot where you're gonna spend most of your time, is outside. So KZ does an excellent job of equipping you with everything you're gonna need for that camping experience. Up front, you have a power front tongue jack, makes it really easy to load and unload, no more cranking it with yourself. They're gonna give you pass-through storage, goes all the way through. The doors are held up by magnets now. It's just so much more convenient than those little switches that just rip off all the time. Right here, solar panel prep. You can actually plug a solar panel in here and run all your 12-volt systems. So your lights, your radio, your awning, stuff like that, right from the power of the sun. So when you're out in the middle of a field boondocking it, you're gonna have power. Immediately past that is this big awning. It's gonna be KZ's exclusive smart arm awning. So this thing, you can put a wind sensor on it and it will run itself in. So you're out riding the trails or you're out to dinner at night and it gets a little windy, a storm's coming in, this thing can roll itself up automatically and you're gonna get home to a one-piece awning, not an awning that's a couple campsites over. You're also gonna be able to put a motion detector on here, so when you walk up at night, that beautiful LED strip up there will clip on automatically and give you that light that you're gonna need outside on your patio. They give you the large assist grab handle. It makes it a lot easier to get in and out of the trailer. Like I said before, speakers outside, They are Bluetooth, so you can be on your patio changing music and listening to it out here without getting dirty and going inside. Now I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. No, I know I did not get a chance to touch on every detail of this, so if you have any questions regarding this Sportsmen LE, give me a call. My number's at the bottom of the screen. Yes, we take trades. Yes, I can deliver this thing anywhere across the country. Right now, trades are in high demand, so please give us a call. I'll be happy to give you a free trade evaluation, figure out what yours is worth and what we can get you into this toy hauler for. We can bring this thing anywhere across the country. So again, thank you guys so much, and we look forward for you to go RVing with us.